Hindi mo kami dito sa atin. Dito na yung kahit meron akong ano, may kit na. Ikaw, puso, may gano'n. Mga 20. Kasunod-sunod na 20 upload agad. Walang video, walang video. Hi, Rico! Welcome po! Welcome partners! Welcome! Yes po! Yan ang video ang kanina.
Hindi pa ako sa thank you.
Dito ka muna sa side.
Kain na ba kayo?
Dito ka muna sa side. This way first.
Okay.
Ganda.
Members of the press, distinguished guests, friends, and supporters, welcome to the official press presentation of a woman whose grace, intelligence, and heart for service fully embody modern Filipina excellence. Today, we gather to formally introduce a candidate who is ready to carry not only a crown, but a purpose. Representing strength, culture, and empowered womanhood, she steps forward as Miss Universe Sarangani Filipino Society of Western Asia lifts others. This afternoon, we celebrate her story, her vision, and meaningful causes she champions. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to present Nicole Cruz. Media press. So I would like this press con to be as wala lang, communication lang sa meet and greet. So I want you to feel free to ask questions. So before anything else, I would like you to give your.
I am Nicole Cruz. I am joining the Miss Universe Philippines representing Sarangani Province and the Filipino Society of West Asia. Thank you all for coming. Thank you to my manager, Direk San Miguel, who flew all the way from Saudi Arabia just to help me, support me, and to be honest, I'm a bit overwhelmed because I'm very new here in the Philippine industry. So medyo nahihiya pa ako. Thank you talaga sa pagpunta, and I hope you all enjoy and masarap magpabusog kayo sa food. Thank you so much.
So we have right here, Tenten Rodriguez of Tenten TV Show. We also have Mr. Sherman Gamboa, Mr. Eric Sangilan, Gram and Shosho, Mr. Peter Pe, Critical Beauty of the Philippines. Good afternoon. We also have here Mr. Adam Hinabo, the one you're watching always on YouTube, covering pageants worldwide. So it's an honor to have him here. How about Pageant Spectacles? Hello. Celebre International. We also have Fab Manila, Philippines. Siya yung pinakamaagang dumating. Thank you so much for coming 2 hours ahead of your expected time. So we also have OPMB Worldwide. And Mr. Vix Almacen, wala pa. We also have Kapamilya Online World. So hi.
Maybe they can stand up.
We have also TikTok influencer, Mr. Jason Beth. We have Exclusive PH. We have Chika at Ganap. We have Rider Studios PH. We have Latest Showbiz PH. And also we also have Tita So Pageantry.
Ay, tita.
Yung ni-request mo nandito, thank you for coming, Tita Bella. So anyone na hindi ko pa po na-recognize.
So when it comes to tagging, we need to have the restoration. No any other words. Yun lang naman. That's our whole evidence. And okay, so may I have the microphone for that?
pumasok yung pati designated seat po doon sa
Highly
likod.
right? Okay. And since you are representing a Filipino society in abroad, no? If we could give important message to your forthcoming sisters in Miss Universe Philippines, what would you like to impart to them? A message.
Radio because I always want for my advocacy speech, which is the mental health, focusing on stigma reduction. When I was crowned, I used to visit charity organizations such as Bahay Kalinga. I've seen a lot of distress OFW. It's not just what we see online. There is like more deeper than that. Imagine creating a safe space for them, for being an active listener. I visit them. So the message I will tell them is that I'm bringing their stories to the Miss Universe Philippines stage so we can turn it all into an inspiration.
Okay, thank you so much. A follow-up question. Napanganak dito pero na-raise sa abroad, tapos competing in a national pageant here. Ano yung advantage niya compared to sa ibang candidate na from the country lang dito, from the Philippines lang?
Yes, I mean, Sir Adam, I'm not gonna lie. Ang pageantry talaga sa Philippines is, they say, bardagulan talaga. Like, we're all very talented here, the talented girls here. I think the advantage of that is that, I mean, we all have a purpose. We all have an advocacy to bring on the stage. I think it's how we deliver our messages na lang po. I think we're all the same girls who are deserved to win.
Okay, Nico, good luck and see you tomorrow.
Thank you. You know, the guardian, and I'm a girl. So I was depressed, but then I have this favorite line in the book. Your mind can only be two things, a friend or an enemy. So I chose to be friend with my mind.
So when you say mental struggles, it had something to do with your...
Different schools growing up. So I would say yes, paiba-iba po talaga yung school ko. I always adjust. So merong culture shock, merong bullying. But then, I was so depressed. Like, nahirapan ako. But then, I survived kasi, ayun nga, I chose myself. Like, you only have to heal and love yourself. Then you will see your vision in life. And it's not just for me that I am here. It is for my people, the people of Sarangani and the Filipino Society of Western Asia.
Thank you so much and best of luck to you in this competition.
Hello.
Congratulations. Yung first question ko, I'll just touch on your advocacy. How do you feel when people say that having depression is being weak, especially if it's something coming from a mouth of a public official?
Oh, yan po kasi yung the first part of my message always is every emotions are valid because we are just human beings in the end of the day. So we all just have to be grounded and be kind to everyone because we don't know what these people are going through. Iba-iba po kasi tayo ng tolerance and limitations. Yes po, thank you. From my part po kasi, when they say it's a weakness, first, I would put myself in these people's shoe. Why do they say it like that? Kasi, okay, maybe they grew up in a perfect family, healthy family, then I would understand why they talk like that. And that's why I am here to make these kind of people understand that we are all just humans and that all emotions are valid. Ayun, thank you.
Thank you. And last,
Medyo nahihiya pa ako sa ibang girls, ng ibang girls nahihiya din. But we are all saying hi to each other. Friendly naman po lahat. Pero yes, si Ate Fatima, we're very, very close. And I asked her how old she is. Like ako, because I would love to promote my province as well, which is the Sarangani. And its hidden gems. Pero I think my team will do their best. Kasi this is the first time I'm gonna represent Sarangani and the Filipino Society of West Asia. Both of them are first time, so this is gonna be a history for them. Competitions for Filipino feature writing. It's really my passion to write about the Philippines and promote our culture, promote our history. So feel ko doon po talaga nabuo yung love ko for Philippines. And my favorite part of different na dinadala sa stage. I love them all, but the one that caught my attention was Catriona. Because I love how she speaks, that it's just normal. Kasi what I noticed in pageantry is that lagi sila nagpre-prepare sa question, minimemorize yung ano. Yes, meron talagang proper standard of answering, like the structure, the opening, and the closing, but most of the time, you just have to answer the question. This is what I'm advising din sa mga younger than me or sa nagpa-pageant na nag-ask ng advice sa akin sa Q&A. You know, I told them po na ang important part talaga ng pageantry is experience. Because this is what you're gonna share to the people. So when you get to, when people are going to ask you a question, either emotional, critical, you just have to answer them from your heart.
I
Thank
guess what
you.
you saw with Catriona.
That's why I love Catriona because she was so light in the international stage. She was just like the stars in Tondo, Manila. Like it was so light and hindi masyadong, she doesn't sound pressured. Like it all came from her heart. Yes, it's true. Like what she said is true, and ramdam yung every bigas ng word that it's really true. That's how she really felt. Ayun po, kalapit na municipality, Mayor James and his lovely wife, they welcome me openly, like sobra. Like they even got a photographer and the float, sinundo nila ako sa airport, pinakain nila ako sa Jensen. Like they were so glad that someone is going to represent Sarangani to promote our tourism po. And also yesterday, former Senator Manny Pacquiao, when he heard this, he sounds so excited that someone who will proudly represent Sarangani to the MUPH stage.
Actually, not a...
Sir, galing sa Warren Roots mo.
Actually po, I would say in West Asia po kasi mostly is like veils and being conservative. So I'm planning to mix this one with Nicole Cruz, representing the province of Sarangani and the Filipino Society of West Asia.